Welcome back to ClearTask. In this tutorial, you will learn exactly how to connect your Deriv account to MetaTrader 5 in just a few straightforward actions. To begin, open the MT5 application on your mobile device. Look to the top corner of your screen and tap the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. From the options that appear, select Manage Accounts. Next, tap the plus icon located at the top to add a new connection. A search bar will appear on your screen. Type the word Deriv into this search field. A list of broker options will populate below. Tap on the specific Deriv broker that corresponds with your account. Now you will be prompted to enter your credentials. Type in your numeric MT5, login ID, and your password. Do not use your standard Deriv email address here, as MetaTrader requires your specific MT5 account ID. Be sure to verify that the server dropdown matches the exact server provided in your Deriv dashboard. Whether it is a demo or a live server, once your details are entered, tap the login button at the bottom. Your Deriv account is now successfully linked to MT5, and your balances will load on the screen. Thank you for watching ClearTask. Subscribe for more fast and professional guides.